Mine pipe joint grouting bolt is a full-length anchorage. The three-dimensional part is a high-strength steel pipe with a longitudinal opening. When installed in a hole smaller than the pipe diameter, will apply pressure to the surrounding rock, makes the surrounding rock more stable. And the steel strip-shaped anchor can save costs, increase practical efficiency. Zhongtuo mine bolt machine, uncoiler with stopper, make sure the material does not fall on its side, feed port with matching roller, fixed material orientation. It also acts as a directional guide. The forming part is a combination of vertical roll and horizontal roll, for angles forming at the same time. Although the equipment is small in size, the force is very large. Gearbox drive, keep the force constant. Using Omron pipe welding machine special counter, accurate counting without slipping. When the hydraulic pressure cuts off, the cutting and incision are completed simultaneously. Hydraulic station installed accumulator, cutting and punching without pressure. Matching locking machine, foot drive, easy to operate. Zhongtuo, make production simpler.